slain on a battlefield. I've missed this.
There's the piece of meat we want to put on the grill.
He's got a whole entourage.
Not for long.
Come and get me! Cranston! It'll be a pleasure to crush you once and for all!
Even with your brain exposed like that, you still remember me. Impressive. Hiya!
All my dreams are coming true!
Man, I miss you. There's so much to tell you. Like I opened up my own cafe.
For real? Can't wait to check it out.
These monsters are relentless. I wish we still had swords.
Ours are long gone. Gotta make do with what we have. Wanna make some portals and send them packing?
You're a genius. Cosmic Dino Key. Ready. Cosmic Gateway. Activate.
Pretty!
Hey, bozos! Your commute home is about to get intergalactic.
Yeah, now we're kicking it.
The band is back together.
Was this part of your mother's foolish plan?
She's got way more to come, but since Scrozzle's not ready, Dewdrip, get down here!
Who's that?
Dewdrip reporting for duty!
Dewdrip? That's your name? Man, you should sue your mom.
What just happened?
That's poison Zed uses to turn Rangers evil.
No evil vibes here.
If you had any brains, you'd know the poison was designed only for that Blue Ranger!
Wait, does this mean...
Zed has a new ally. Cosmic Gateway. Activate!
Ollie, how could you?
Easily.
No more portals!
I just got him back.
Ha! Hilarious! You did all right, Dewdrip. Still, you're fired. Take him away!
Wait, no, I was employee of the month.